Holmes, Sherlock, and Mycroft is a two-player set collection game, which looks to have a pretty pasted-on theme, but it's not. It's actually pretty. It's cooler than that. Come on down. I'll show you down here. So each card has its own special ability, which gets activated once you move your little meeple. This is Sherlock right here, and you'll move him over and you'll place him face down. What this does is let you spend 3 of your spy glasses, and you'll be able to pick up 2 cards from the middle. Now the point of the cards is what you want to do is have the most of the set by the end of the game. Whoever has the most, minus the cards on the other side, will get the victory points. 9 is worth 9 points. My opponent has no 9s, so I'll get a total of 9. Now the really cool thing about this game is you'll get cards that allow you to play face down numbers, so you don't know what you have, what your opponent has, but you'll know what you have. So I own all the 4s right now. So what I could do is spend on Moriarty, which is a pretty cool card, force my opponent to spend 1 of their cards, and I know at the end of the game I'm going to get the total of 4. What I like about this is you have to now kind of figure out what your opponent has. So you're not really Sherlock or Mycroft, you're really kind of figuring out what your opponent has. But there's a really neat deductive aspect about this game is where once the new characters come out, and there's 10 characters in all, each have a special ability, which gives you a bit of variety when you play your game, is with each character, you get to change different parts of the game. This character right here is going to let you spend a maximum of 3 spy glasses to have 3 cards to look at, and you pick one and discard the rest of them. So you can actually discard some of your opponent's cards, so you'll know in the future what they can and can't have. So it's really cool. Not a detective game of sorts, but a pretty cool 2-player subtle deduction game. Non-combative, which is nice when you go out to coffee with your wife and you don't have to have fights at the end of it like some of the other 2-player games out there. So a really non-confrontational, cool 2-player game that I really like. Holmes, Sherlock, and Mycroft.